Welcome everybody to the handling course at Santa Pod. Oh, let me get into the shot. How's it going? Oh, it needs to be forward one. My friend there, Pounds for Hands 91. Oh yes, Suzuki Auto Works. So we're at the handling course at Santa Pod. As you see in one of my previous videos, I took this round and I came second throughout the whole day, losing to a 400 horsepower Supra. Here's his Instagram. Was 1999, something like that. About to take the CRX round again. I've got the 360 camera on the boot, as you can see here. Got this camera here watching what's going on in here, and I've got a camera on my head to show the rest of it, and plus I've got my mate Dan taking pictures and what have you, so yeah, should be good. I'm having to go first, 1 sighting lap and then 2 goes, and then Dan's going to do the same, and then that's the end of it. It's mostly for fun. I don't really care about the time, it's just enjoy yourself, plus it's free, so why not? Anyway, enjoy. Hello.
Hello.
All right. So, on the sheet.
Thank you very much.
So, left, in and out of the cones.
It's entirely up to you. You can go right first if you want.
Oh, I'll do what everyone else has done.
Entirely up to you.
Through the gate at the end.
Out, through the gate, hard left.
Yep.
There's a roundabout in the top left-hand
Does it matter
corner.
what way you go round?
Either way round, as long as you go round it, it's fine.
I'm going to go right round. Go on.
So all the way round, slalom back down this side.
Yep.
And then through the gate, back over. And
Have you
reverse.
got a handbrake through this bit?
It's entirely up to you. You don't have to.
Oh, okay.
Just make the turn, back
Easier.
over and into the box.
Cool, okay.
Yeah?
Yep.
Do you want to go for a practice lap first?
Yeah, sighting lap, yep.
Go for a little sighting lap. Spot on. Yeah, no problem. You didn't hit any cones on that one.
Oh.
But from now on, if you do, it's a 5-second time penalty for
Right.
every cone you hit.
Okay.
I have to walk off and go and put it back, and I don't like doing that.
Fair enough, okay.
All right. Are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Somebody dropped something there, Max.
Someone's dropped something.
No, not you.
Oh, fuck for that. Did the camera move around a lot?
Well, it's sticking out of your side, mate.
I'll take it off. It's not worth it, I'm going to take it off. Sideways action. No, you're having the next go.
Yeah, I'd rather it not fall off, for my sake and yours.
Yep.
Right, are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
But what's the point? I've already got 5 seconds off. So, do I get 5 seconds off just that run?
Yes.
Right, I'm happy with that.
So that equates to a 49.97 with a penalty on top.
It's not too bad for someone who's driving easy.
Yes. Right, are you ready?
Last go.
Last go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Right.
$33.90.
Yes! And apparently I can have one more go.
No, you can't.
Oh, is it the end of the day?
I've got to get some of these go. If you line up again, we might be able to get you round. There's no guarantee, but maybe.
Okay.
You lost the camera.
Yeah, I took it off like that. Yes, mate. $33.9. 33.78. That's a longer course.
Yes,
but I didn't drive that hard last time. That was fucking hard.
He looked angry.
I was like,
Woo! What happened to that?
I told you to let go. He said we might be able to.
With Evo, got the exact same thing.
What, same problem?
Elkin, Fat Gecko, triple. He's got some extra like extension parts and different brackets. 3 suction cups is the exact same as what you've got. Have you stopped recording yet? Press the red button.
Make sure you like, subscribe and share to your mates, you know what I mean, yeah?